So the fan completely stopped. So we got ice coming out everywhere. So it's just to defrost it. So, okay. And so it's just the foam at the back. And the fan is right here.
Goes here. Right
Oh,
here.
this is the fan.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So all that's ice at the top, you know, it's not supposed to be. Like all that.
Right. And you'll notice, because your heating element for your defrost is this exactly. This. So that's why all this is unfrozen.
That black?
Yep.
That copper?
Copper. This black copper. It's hot. And that's why this is melted. But you see how they didn't put one up there?
Yeah.
So who defrosts
Yeah.
that? That's what.
So, as you said, keeping the fridge open for 5-10 minutes.
10 minutes.
How often?
Often you guys use it. There's often use it like open. Close.
Now that we both like from home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so it normally happens when you use it heavily?
When you don't use it heavily.
Oh, when you don't use it
Keeping
heavily.
it closed.
Oh, okay.
So it's just gonna keep running all the time. When you open it, the fan stops running.
And then that's when the
You
heater
open
cord
it,
gets
yeah. When you open it, fan stops running. You'll be able to let some ice down.
Look, our refrigerator has a name.
Lupe?
Sorry, Lupe. I've been referring to you.
Guadalupe or Lupe?
Just Lupe.
Just Lupe.
Oh wow. Like this will be like the setting for the
Ice is
Oh.
so
You
good.
go all the way hot.
Between the fan. That was causing the clinking sound. Sweet, still spins.
Yeah. Everything's still running. Yeah. You cut it spinning?
Yeah, I got it spinning. And now we've gotten all that ice looking good.